첫 시작으로 말레이시아에 오게 됐습니다.
As Super Junior DME, this is our first stop in Asia tour to be Malaysia.
너무너무 기쁘고
I'm just so glad to be here.
여러분 정말 많이 보고 싶었습니다.
And I have missed you so much.
슈퍼주니어 DN이 아시아 투어 말레이시아가 딱 결정되고 나서 저희들도 너무너무 기쁘고 행복했었어요.
As soon as we heard the news that Malaysia is going to be the first stop in our tour of Asia, that we were so glad and pleased.
여러분이 정말 저희가 얼마나 기다려주시는지 알고 있기 때문에
It's all because I fully understand that how much you guys been waiting for us to coming back.
정말 저희의 영혼을 담아서 멋진 공연을 보여드리도록 하겠습니다.
So we are going to try our best to even put our souls in our performances for you guys.
자, 여러분 잠은 잘 잤어요?
Have you slept well last night?
밥은 먹었어요?
Have you eaten well?
저희 콘서트는 여러분 컨디션이 좋아야 끝까지 재밌게 즐기실 수 있어요.
Your condition is very important to be in our show too.
계속해서 여러분이 노래 불러주시고 춤춰주시고 소리 질러주셔서 괜찮아요?
It's all because you guys need to sing along and dance along with me. Are you alright, by the way?
You okay? Maybe I got cold. You have cold?
네. 뭐야, 까마오.
小心感冒.
또穿衣服 in Malaysia.
그러면 이제 뒤에